Now we'll see the diagonal scale problem. So question will be like this: construct a diagonal scale of 1:48 showing meters, decimeters and centimeters, and to measure up to 6 meters and mark a distance of 3.7 meters on it. This is the scale. So first of all, the diagonal scale is used to measure 3 consecutive units as it is given in this problem. It is used to measure meters, and decimeters, centimeters. So by using this scale, the maximum length can be measured is 6 meters, and you need to mark the distance of 3.76 meters on it. So first we need to find out the length of the scale. Length of the scale equation is maximum length into RF. As the maximum length is given as 6 meters and RF is given as 1/48, so when we substitute these values in the equation, we are going to get 125 mm as the length of the scale. Okay, now with the dimensions, just construct the rectangle like this. Got it? And after constructing the rectangle like this, as it is used to measure a maximum length of 6 meters, we need to divide the rectangle into 6 divisions. First, draw the length as 125 mm and height equal to 50 mm, and top length is also 125 mm, right? So first construct the rectangle like this. Next, divide this rectangle into 6 equal parts, 125 into 6 equal parts by inclined line method. So after dividing the total rectangle into 6 equal parts, the 6 equal parts represents the maximum length of 6 meters, right? So here each division represents 1 meter. So now put 0 at the end of the first division, and next 1 2 3 4 5, right? So coming to the first division, here each division represents 1 meter. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeters. So divide this segment into 10 equal parts. After dividing this segment into 10 equal parts, each division represents the 1 centimeters. Sorry, each division represents 1 decimeter, right? So next, coming to this vertical side, now this vertical side represents the 1 decimeters. So when you divide this vertical side into 10 equal parts, each division represents 1 centimeters. Okay, so first construct the rectangle with 125 mm length, and after that divide the rectangle into 6 equal parts. As the maximum length is 6 meters, so here each division represents 1 meter, right? So now first coming to the first division, you need to divide this first division into 10 equal parts. After dividing, here each division represents 1 decimeter. Now coming to the vertical side, when you divide this vertical side into 10 equal parts, each division represents 1 centimeters. Now you need to draw the horizontal lines from the divisions on this vertical line parallel to the base of the rectangle like this. Got it? So now listen carefully. As we divided this first division into 10 equal parts, right? Now it's time to draw the line from the first division sorry, not from the first division. Draw the line from 0 onto the first division on the top side. like this. And next, draw the line from the first division parallel to previous one. Next, one more line from the third division parallel to previous one. Likewise, you need to draw the lines from the divisions on this first division onto the divisions on the top side. So like this you need to draw the lines. Okay, now it's time to represent the dimensions. So here we are asked to represent the 3.76 meters on the scale. So first draw one vertical from the third line and go to this first division, find out the seventh line from this base. So this one is fifth one, sixth, seventh one. Now on the seventh line identify the sixth position, as we need to dimension the 3.76 meters on the scale. It's the first one line from third division and go to the first part, identify the seventh position. This one is fifth position, this one is seventh. On this line identify the sixth position. This one is fifth, this one is sixth. Got it? This one is 5, right? Next one 6. So now from this position draw the vertical. Now from here to here the dimension represents 3.76 meters. So like this you need to mark the dimension. Got it? So after completing the marking of dimension, now below the scale you need to write the scale factor as 1/40, and towards bottom right you need to write the main units as meters, right? As it is used to measure the 3 consecutive units. The second unit is decimeters. You need to write it below the bottom left of the rectangle scale, decimeters. And next here you need to write centimeters. So in this way you need to construct the rectangle scale, sorry, diagonal scale.